Welcome to day 13 of our 21 baby steps with the Fly Lady system, SUZY'S style. Yes, you can hear an echo, and that's because today we are in the bathroom and we are doing the swish and swipe. This is, for me, one of Fly Lady's most genius ways to keep our homes clean and organized. Let me just tell you. The bathroom and our bathroom was one of the main reasons why I went and I started the Fly Lady system, because as I said in the initial video, one day I just walked into our house and I was like, no, the house was messy. And what I didn't mention in that video is that I could smell the toilet. You guys, I walked into my house and I could smell the toilet. It was dirty and we had 2 house helps and I was not having that anymore. Yes, we have kids, we have toddlers, some are still learning how to use the bathroom, and so yes, there will be that mess. But I believe the reason why our bathrooms are sometimes messy and stinky and not ready for anyone to use them is because we wait to clean them once a week and we wait for this major extreme cleaning. But what I love about the Fly Lady swish and swipe is that she says you can actually do this. You can clean your toilet every day. It only takes 2 minutes and your toilet will always be clean and fresh and smelling amazing. And that's what I want to show you today. In case you don't know, and in case you want your toilet always smelling amazing. If you want your toilet being stinky, well, that's fine. You know? So basically, the swish and swipe is where you swish your toilet bowl with the toilet brush and then you swipe the rest of the surfaces of your bathroom with a clean rag. Now, one thing she says is that you don't necessarily have to use extreme and expensive soaps to clean your bathroom, which was also an eye-opener for me, because sometimes, you know, we think that it is the expensive and fancy soaps that we use that makes our toilets clean and amazing. Actually, what makes our toilets clean and smelling amazing is cleaning them every single day. It doesn't matter what you use. In fact, she says another tip of doing the swish and swipe quickly is have everything you need to clean your toilet inside your toilet, so that the minute you take a shower, you get dressed. Even if, in fact, she says you clean the toilet in your bathroom as you are using it. Personally, I like to shower, get dressed, and then come and do the swish and swipe. So she says have everything you need there at hand so that it doesn't take you long. You just don't have to go where to the laundry area, go to the backyard, look for what to come and clean your bathroom. So in our bathrooms, what we have is we have this scoring powder. We have Vim, any brand, you guys. If you don't have, it is still fine. I also like to use a bathroom spray. When I am able, I do use Method because I think Method is amazing. And when I don't have Method, I will make my own bathroom cleaning spray, which I'll show you one of these days. Just vinegar, essential oils, and alcohol. I'll show you one day, okay? And then I use either liquid detergent, which we make here, or just your good old hand wash, or shampoo. Any soap you have, you can use to clean your bathroom, okay? Please, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg buying expensive things, but if you want to, more power to you. Another thing that I really used to waste time cleaning our bathroom is I thought I have to really scrub the tiles, scrub all the, what do you call those things? These things, the things that come in the middle, the lines. They're called that one, you know. I have to scrub them every day. But actually, when you just spray your bathroom cleaner and just wipe with your cloth, imagine your tiles will be amazing, and it will take you like 30 seconds. So basically, that's the swish and swipe. We do it every day. Put it as part of your morning routine. If you have more than one bathroom in your home, she advises you can do one bathroom today, tomorrow do the other bathroom. Very quick, very easy. Or you can just share. If you have a house help, you can share duties. I have taught our house help how to do this, so I do the swish and swipe in my room, of course, and then she does the one in her room and the one in the kids' room. So it's, you know, it gets done. And even if you skip a day, your bathroom will still smell amazing, assuming you're doing a swish and swipe 5 times a week. Imagine it will still just smell really good. So now, come with swish and swipe this bathroom. my bathroom is looking amazing and smelling even amazinger. Have you seen how easy that is? And if the bathroom is still wet, I am just going to take a mop or a rag and I'll just wipe the floor. Sometimes, like every 3 days or so, I will scrub the floor, but I don't do it every day. And you guys, it is that simple. Now remember, we do have zone cleaning in the Flairidi system, so once a month I will spend a whole week cleaning the bathroom and doing all the scrubbing and everything. But for everyday purposes, the swish and swipe will do, and it really does make a huge difference. The swish and swipe is normally best in the morning. If you can't do it in the morning, you can do it in your evening, like after guys shower in the evening before they go to bed. Do your swish and swipe, and I will see you tomorrow for the next baby step. Bye.